Okay guys, we have a new toy on the bench this morning. It is a drone. I finally decided to buy a drone to do some of my filming when it comes to RVs, RVing and RCing. We will be traveling a lot now that my wife's getting ready to retire. And we bought ourselves a Spark with the Fly More combo. So we're going to add a little pizzazz, maybe, to our videos. At least what I think is kind of cool. So in the Fly More version, you get an extra battery, you get a charger, a few other things. So we'll take a look. Now I know this has been done to death. Everybody and his brother's got a video up about the DJI Spark, but this is new to me, new to my channel, and new to my world. I have one other drone that I've flown before, but this will be a little more expensive and a little more to what I really would like to do with a drone, a camera drone. I'm not into racing drones. I'm not into seeing how fast the drone will go. I don't care how high it'll go, how far it will go. What I'm looking for is some decent video of some of the things that I see that I like in the world. So this is the purpose of this, is to get video of some of the things that we do in our travels. So again, it comes with the drone itself, which is really light, I'm thinking. Oh, open that upside down. And very small. Easy to take with me when I'm hiking through the woods, heading to the waterfalls, going to check things out that we would like to see and maybe show you, those of you who may not get a chance to see some of this stuff. And we got some extra props here, 2 extra props, actually 4. There's 2 in here. I'm sure they go one way, and 2 in the other that go the other way. Props are here. We get extra battery. This battery is the one that comes with the drone here. And I imagine, I don't know what I imagine. There's something in here. And this is, oh my goodness. Talk about directions. Holy smokes, guys. Look at this. There's some books. I'm sure they're all in different languages. Gesture mode. Propeller guards. Charging hub. Remote control. A different language. The Spark itself. And the battery. And the Fly More combo, what you get. So you got a book for everything that's in here that you could get separately, I suppose, when you buy the Spark by itself and then add your own stuff to it. Okay, it comes with a carrying case, which is kind of nice. Actually, it's pretty good. Carrying case. Inside the carrying case, packing materials, one of those don't eat things. the remote control, which you don't get with all DJI products, Spark, but this one comes with the control. Your camera, your phone here, so that you can keep track of what's going on. Nice. Feels substantial. Actually weighs more than the drone itself. So you get a remote control, a charging brick, prop guards, which a lot of people don't use, but I'm sure I will when I first start using this. Cable for the charging brick. And a charger for 3 different batteries. USB cable, type, regular USB is not a type C. And I think that's it. So where is the extra battery? In the drone. The extra battery is here in the drone itself. Now, I don't know if how many of you people have looked at other videos about the DJI. I'm not going to go into the technical specs of it, all that good stuff. If you want to know, I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there about this drone, about its technical specs. The only reason I bought this drone is to do video. It's a video drone. That's what it's made for. It's kind of, some people call it a selfie drone. It has gesture controls and all that kind of stuff. But for me, the purpose of the drone is to videotape some of the sights that we see when we're traveling. And maybe when I'm RVing and RCing, I can get some different video than I have before. Okay, so there it is, the DJI Spark. Again, this is just kind of a little, this is why I bought it. This is what I'm going to do with it. And a little unboxing, which is probably a million videos of. But it's new to me. It's cool to me. It's something I haven't done before. So I have a drone, a camera drone. It's a Desire X4. And I learned to fly this. It's a GPS drone, as is the Sparks. And I learned to fly this around the house and up and down, and got a camera in it, not a very good one. But it's a nice little drone to get started with to learn. It only costs like $70 when I got it. Okay, compared to $399 for the fly more. No, I'm sorry. $399 would be what the drone itself is worth, and the controller. But the Fly More kit is $550. So that means you get all of this for $550 or $150 more than the drone itself. And if you try to buy all these extra pieces, it will cost you more than $150. So it's a pretty good deal if you're going to get into this and you're trying to figure out how you're going to go about doing all this stuff. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, why don't you subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing some video footage from this drone in the future on our trips throughout the United States.